I'm Anil Kumar, and here is an interesting question on geometric mean. Determine 7 ordered pairs x, y so that the geometric mean of x and y is 10. Explain how will the graph of scatter plot for such points will look like. Now, the first part is we need to find 7 ordered pairs so that geometric mean of x and y is 10. Now, geometric mean means what? When you multiply and square root, that means the square root of x times y should be equal to 10. That is the definition of geometric mean, right? Now, it also means if I square both sides, I get x times y equals to 100, right? Now, I can relate y with x, so I can write y equals to 100 over x. So that is the kind of relation which we get between x and y, and in all those numbers which we are now going to select, we'll find that the geometric mean of those numbers will be 10, correct? So now you can select value of x and find y. So let us say x is 1. If x is 1, 100 divided by 1 is 100, correct? Now if I say x is 2, then 2, when you divide 100 by 2, you get 50, right? How about when x is, let us say, 4? 4 it is 25, correct? So likewise, you can give different values of x. If x is 10, then 100 divided by 10 is 10. And then you can flip these numbers and write some more, correct? So you can have 25, 4, and things like that. So in between, let us take one more value. So in that case, let us say x is 20, right? Because we need 7 ordered pairs. 20, then it is 5, okay? And then we'll flip these numbers. We get 25, 4, and 2, or 50, 52, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Likewise, we can get quite a few numbers, the whole number x and y's, so that their geometric mean is 10. Now that's the first part. The second part is we need to plot a scatter graph. Now I think this equation is very helpful to plot scatter plot, right? So that means if you plot these points, 100 means, let us say this is kind of 100, okay? Then 250, that means second it is like halfway, right? 250, and then 425 maybe kind of like this. So what you notice is as the value increases, it comes closer and closer to the x-axis, right? So it is kind of a decreasing exponential graph, correct? So that is how you're going to get your scatter plot. So as the value of x increases, the value of y decreases drastically. So that is how you're going to get the plot. So 1 to 100, 4, it's like a reciprocal function, correct? So that is how it is. And from here you also learn that x is not equal to 0. And similarly, if you would have written x equals to 100 over y, we cannot even write y is also not equal to 0. Even otherwise it makes sense. 0 times anything will never be 10, right? So anyway, so that is how we can kind of do this question and explain our graph. So these are the coordinate points, and the graph will look like a exponential decay function in quadrant 1, correct? Thank you.